Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with a straightforward guide on how to buy Vanguard index funds. If you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, this is perfect for you. Vanguard index funds are a smart, low-cost way to invest in the stock market by tracking major indices like the S&P 500. They're popular because they offer broad market exposure with minimal effort and fees. First off, why choose Vanguard? Well, Vanguard is known for its investor-friendly approach, with funds that have rock-bottom expense ratios and a focus on long-term growth. These funds are passively managed, meaning they simply mirror an index rather than trying to beat the market, which often leads to better returns over time compared to actively managed funds. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Set your goals. Before you buy, think about what you're investing for: retirement, a house, or just building wealth. This will help you decide how much to invest and for how long. Step 2. Open an account. Head to the Vanguard website and sign up for a brokerage account. You'll need some basic info like your social security number and will have to link a bank account. If you already have a brokerage account elsewhere, like with Fidelity or Schwab, you might be able to buy Vanguard funds through them. Just check for any additional fees. Step 3. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, transfer money into it from your bank. Start small if you're a beginner, maybe $1,000 or even less, depending on the fund's minimum investment. Step 4. Choose your fund. Vanguard has a ton of options, like the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund or the Vanguard 500 Index Fund. Look at the fund's prospectus to understand its holdings, fees, and historical performance. Step 5. Place your order. Log in, search for the fund, and buy shares. You can do this as a one-time purchase or set up automatic investments for consistency. Finally, remember to monitor your investments periodically, but don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Always consider your risk tolerance and consult a financial advisor if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's build that wealth together. See you next time.